HMD Global took the wraps off a number of Nokia smartphones in their pre-MWC press event. Besides the Nokia 9 PureView, the company also launched 3 more Android phones. These include the Nokia 3.2 and the Nokia 4.2 budget smartphones and the Nokia 1 Plus, which is an upgrade over last year's Nokia 1. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the Nokia 3.2, it sports a 6.26-inch HD Plus display and a 19:9 aspect ratio in polycarbonate chassis. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 SoC and packs in 2GB or 3GB of RAM depending on the variant. Additionally, HMD Global included a 16 or 32GB of inbuilt storage options, which is expandable via microSD card. The smartphone comes with a single 13-megapixel sensor at the back and a 5-megapixel fixed-focus selfie shooter on the front. There is a 4000 mAh battery on board, which the company claims can last for up to 2 days. The 32GB variant of the Nokia 3.2 also sports a fingerprint sensor, which is missing in the 16GB version. The Nokia 3.2 will carry a price tag of $139 or roughly 9,900 rupees for the 2GB 60GB version and $169 or roughly 12,000 rupees for the 3GB and 32GB version. It will go on sale starting early May 2019. Moving on to the Nokia 4.2, it sports a 2.5D glass on both the front and the back with a polycarbonate frame and metal internal structure. The phone features a 5.71-inch HD Plus resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC and is available in 2 variants with 2GB RAM, 16GB storage and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. The storage is expandable via microSD card. Now, in terms of camera capabilities, the Nokia 4.2 houses dual camera setup at the back with 13-megapixel primary sensor with an autofocus lens and a secondary 2-megapixel sensor with a fixed focus lens. The Nokia 4.2 has been priced at $169 or 12,000 rupees for the 2GB and 16GB version and $199 or roughly 14,200 rupees for the 3GB and 32GB version. It will reach stores in April 2019. The Nokia 1 Plus runs on Android 9 Pie Go edition out of the box and features a 5.45-inch FWVGA IPS display along with an 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, there's a quad-core MediaTek MT6739WW SoC coupled with 1GB of RAM. The Nokia 1 Plus has 8GB and 16GB of onboard storage options, and both are expandable via microSD card support. The handset packs a 2500 mAh battery. It comes with an 8-megapixel camera at the back along with an LED flash and autofocus support and a 5-megapixel sensor on the front. The price of the Nokia 1 Plus is set at $99 or roughly 7,000 rupees, and the phone will go on sale in global markets in March 2019. We have a lot more MWC coverage coming up on Gadgets 360, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss the action. Thanks for watching.